Look, look, a giant egg! What is hiding in the egg? Is it big or is it small? Let us guess it, one and all. Tap, tap, tap the egg. Crack, crack, crack the egg. Open up, what do we see? A cute puppy, 1, 2, 3. Look, look, another egg. What is hiding in the egg?
It is blue with zigzag lines.
What is inside? Let us find. Let's tap it. Tap, tap, tap the egg. Oh, tap the egg. It's time to crack, crack the egg. Open up. What do we see? A cute kitten. 1, 2, 3. Look, look, a yellow egg. What is hiding in the egg? It has stars of shiny green. Best surprise we have ever seen. Tap, tap, tap the egg. Crack, crack, crack the egg. Open up, what do we see? A cute duckling, 1, 2, 3. Wow, look, a rainbow egg. Biggest, brightest magic egg. What is hiding deep inside? Open wide, oh, open wide. Tap, tap, tap the egg. Tap the rainbow egg. Crack, crack, crack the egg. Crack the rainbow egg. Open up, what do we see? Magic unicorn, yippee!